life like normal. Kasama yung mga dating taong nakakasama ko sa buhay. And, ayan, working together, kasama yung mga dating tao pa rin. Pero, it's like parang dati lang. Pero we face our lives, our future, our present, like, sobrang normal na lang. Hindi na katulad ng dati, pero still, yung magkasama, magkausap, magkatrabaho, ganun, very normal na lang ang lahat. Masaya kasi ito, kahit na sa mga nangyari noon, we can face and we can be together, kahit na alam nating marami nang nangyari. And yan, we're working now, saan lugar kami nakakarating.
Si Tuti, kapal na mukha ni Tuti, nakikikain, Baby, tama ka na, may hawak ka ng isa. Hello? Uy, ang kapal na mukha mo, baby. Pero sige, the food is good.
She adopted me.
She adopt you?
Yes.
Are you a dog?
She's my tita from another mother.
Ay, another mother. Thank you po. Ay, tayo na lang. Wali ka na. Parang tanga. Tayo na lang natira.
Hindi mo baklaran. Hindi mo baklaran.
Uy, akala kong gambaklaran po. Ay, kaya po na po. Pabulakan kasi ako talaga eh. Yeah.
Sa Pilipinas, laging delay, laging traffic, kundi traffic. Ganito kami sa Pilipinas, laging delay, laging traffic, kundi traffic, mahaba ang pila. Oh,
That's life.
magkitipid sila.
May araw na. Life is down and never was. Ano si Tuti, Yes! Ganito kami sa Sibumpang. Seatbelt na seatbolts? Seatbolts na seatbolts?
Voice over muna tayo ulit. And yan, pagod ako dyan, sobra. Galing din sa work and another work na naman sa malayong lugar. Wala akong pinipili ngayon, lahat tinatanggap ko. Malapit, malayo, mahirap, madali. Ganun kasi yung buhay. And this year na hinarap ko, ang daming ups, ang daming downs. Pero, I choose to fight to all my battles, to all my silent battles. Ganun naman talaga buhay. Nakadepende sa'yo kung paano mo dadalin. Hindi ka pwedeng umasa sa iba. Hindi ka pwedeng dumepende sa iba. Kasi ang kakampi mo lang, sarili mo. So, eto, masayang nag-work kapag nasa malayo. Kasi, nakakapag-vacation ka na, nakakapag-unwind ka, the way na nag-work ka. Pero, mas iba pa din kasi yung mag-isa ka. Ewan ko, siguro sa dinami-dami ng pinagdaanan ko, na-enjoy ko na yung sarili ko ng mag-isa.
Oh.
Kuya, anong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo? Don't love out, kill yourself. Wow. Wow. So this is it. Yes, my neighbor.
Hi, my neighbor.
You're so richy, ah. You're so richy.
I'm not you also.
You have 2 chairs. I have only 1 chair. See?
Plastic. You will have
Oh, yeah. Very natural chair.
many plants.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm just looking around.
I thought it's getting dark.
Maybe.
Later.
Getting dark and getting light.
Okay, I'll just prepare the 1.
Talaga.
Are you preparing the 2?
No, I'm preparing the 3.
Oh, I see.
Okay, let's go. Where to go?
At the beach.
At the beach.
Yes.
Let's go to the beach.
Where's the man?
And the falls.
Where's Nooking?
The man?
Yes.
Over there.
Why?
Still sleeping.
Oh my God. Why sleeper?
Because the Havaianas is sleeper.
Oh my God. Are you sleeper too?
No?
Yes. I'm sleeper too. I'm Crocs.
Sleeper too. You're sleeper.
Okay, let's go.
See you later.
See you.
Okay. You taste na?
Ayan. Ay na. Baby naman.
So the picture very big.
Why very big
Because
picture?
you're small, that's why picture very big.
Oh my God, parang tama.
We're here in Palawan.
Baby naman, bakit naman yung ano ko naman doon? May 34 pa.
They did not edit.
Sana ito na lang yung nilagay doon, oh.
After a few days of working, this is it. The relaxing time. My peace of mind, my me time, my self time. Of course, kailangan natin to sa buhay. Sa dami ng pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, kailangan bigyan mo ng oras yung sarili mo. Yung puso mo, yung utak mo, kasama ng mga taong pipiliin mong makasama. Di man ganun kadami, pero at least, yung mga taong alam mo, kaya mo sandalan anytime, anywhere. Yung tipong, hindi mo na kailangan magsalita, ramdam ka na nila. And I choose to be like this. Tahimik, peaceful, grind lang sa buhay, tuloy lang ang buhay. Kasama ng mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan. And let's go. Time to go back in Manila na face the reality, haharapin ulit yung bagong bukas, at itutuloy ang buhay. Like today, bagong taon, bagong chapter ng buhay natin. And this year, as per my last vlog, spread the love and positivity. Happy New Year, everyone!